Hello everyone, welcome back to BioBytes. Today we are breaking down a concept that completely shapes our planet's climate, the greenhouse effect. To understand this process, let's go through the main player greenhouse gases, which include methane, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, chlorofluorocarbons released through many natural and human activities. But here is what most exam papers get wrong. Greenhouse effect is not just a single thing. It is divided into two types, natural and enhanced greenhouse effect. Now let's start with the basic physics of how the sunlight interact with our planet. This is the planet Earth surrounded by the thin layer of atmosphere containing greenhouse gases. The radiation from the sun is transmitted straight through the thin layer of atmosphere to the surface. However, not 100% sunlight transmits down to Earth. Some of the light gets reflected back out to the space by clouds and dust. Other lights get absorbed by Earth's surface. So the three distinct key terms you must use in your exam is transmittance, reflection, and absorption. Now, here is where the magic switch happens. When the Earth absorbs the incoming shortwave radiations from the sun, like UV radiations, it converts the energy to the heat. The Earth radiates that heat back out towards the space in the form of long wave radiations, for example, infrared radiations. This brings us to our side-by-side comparison. On left, we have natural greenhouse effect where the earth is surrounded by the thin balanced layer of natural greenhouse gases. While in right, we have enhanced greenhouse effect where the earth is surrounded by the thick layer of greenhouse gases emitted due to more and more human activities like the emissions from the factories, industries, vehicles, etc. So, in the natural greenhouse effect, the thin layer of greenhouse gases allow most of the outgoing long wave radiations to escape back to the space, while only some rays are trapped, which keeps the earth at the stable habitable temperature, and this maintains earth's life supporting temperature. While in the enhanced greenhouse effect, due to the thick layer of greenhouse gases, instead of escaping, massive amount of infrared radiations get trapped and bounces back down to the surface. This excessive trapping of heat causes an increase in the Earth's temperature, leading to global warming and ultimately climate change. The enhanced greenhouse effect may lead to flooding, desertification, drought, and wildfires. The points to write in the greenhouse effect are mentioned in this video. If this visual step-by-step layout made greenhouse mechanism easy to understand, hit that like button and subscribe to BioBytes for the next bite of sciences. See you next time.